Honorable colleagues, in response to the matter of privilege moved yesterday by Honorable Abdusamad Dasuki on the issue of these revised tax laws, the leadership has unanimously agreed that a committee should be set up immediately to look into the matters that were raised and many others. And in that respect, I'm happy to announce to you that the following members have been appointed to the committee. Honorable Mukhtar Aliu Betera, Chairman. Honorable Ahmed Idris Wase, Member. Honorable Sadu Soli, Member. Honorable Abiodun James Faleke, Member. Honorable Igariwe Idumo Enwo, Member. Honorable Fred Abedi, Member. Honorable Babajimi Benson, Member. They have 1 week within which to report to this Honorable House their findings and their investigation. Thank you. Another announcement, honorable colleagues. This one is coming from the one and only Sardauna Ariwame Tuta, the leader of the Northern Regional Caucus of the House of Representatives. He has this announcement for you. He said this is to specially invite all honorable members to the installation ceremony of distinguished Senator Dr. Abdulaziz Yari Abubakar as the Obaloyin of Yoruba land by His Imperial Majesty Oba Akim Owade I, the Alafin of Oyo Empire. It will take place date Sunday, December 21st, 2025. Time 10 a.m. prompt. Venue, the Alafin of Oyo Palace, Oyo, Oyo State. Members interested to attend should therefore submit their names to Honorable Isa Mohammed Anka in Suite 0.34 New Building for Planning and Necessary Logistics. Announcer, Honorable Al-Hassan Adodogwa, Leader, Northern Regional Caucus, House of Representatives. Honorable colleagues, this is also to announce that there will be a special sitting of the House on Tuesday, December 23rd, 2025 at 11 a.m. This is to facilitate a comprehensive review of the proposal for the repeal and reenactment of the 2024-2025 appropriation bills. The House will hold this special session, as I said earlier, on Tuesday, December 23rd, 2025 at 11 p.m. All that. Be attentive. What I'm going to do will be of great interest to you. You will benefit tremendously, and I hope in due course you will emulate what I am going to announce. So please be attentive. And tell also Honorable Jobi to be attentive, because we need similar move to be made by the two of you in due course. The first announcement, honorable colleagues, is coming from Honorable Manuchim Imuzuruke, member representing Port Harcourt Constituency 1 of River State. His message today is to serve notice of defection from the Labour Party to All Progressive Congress. His message reads as follows. Sir, sequel to the unrelenting litigation at the leadership of the Labour Party, I write to notify the House of Representatives that I have resigned my membership of the Labour Party to All Progressive Congress, APC. This decision is not based on my personal interests, but a resolution of my constituents that I serve and whose mandate I hold. Yours faithfully, signed, Honorable Manuchim Omezuruki. Is Honorable Manuchim around, please? Congratulations, our brother. Please, you can come over after I read the other announcements, so you can come together at the same time, okay? Congratulations. The next announcement, honorable colleagues, is coming from Honorable Barrister Boniface Sunday Merengwa, member representing Ikwere, Emohua, Federal Constituency of River State. And his message is also in respect of notice of resignation of membership from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, and the campaign to All Progressive Congress, APC. His message: I write to formally resign my membership from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, with immediate effect, owing to the protracted, irreconcilable, and current multiple court challenges involving the party. Consequent upon the above, I hereby decamp from the PDP to formally join the All Progressive Congress, APC, with immediate effect. My family and constituents have endorsed my new party. Yours sincerely, signed, Right Honorable Barrister Boniface S. Emerengwa. Honorable colleagues, it's my singular pleasure to announce once more a correspondence coming from my dear friend, Right Honorable Awaji Inombek D. Abiente, member representing Andoni Opobo, Nkoro Federal Constituency, River State, and Chairman Committee, House Committee on Urban Development and Regional Planning. His message to us all, honorable colleagues, is that he wished to notify the House that he has resigned his membership of the People's Democratic Party and have decided to join the All Progressive Congress. This decision is based on the intractable, prolonged, and unresolved disagreements and division within his party, PDP. He said this decision is also the reflection of the desires, aspiration, and resolve of my people, whose mandate I hold, and with absolute understanding the power ultimately belongs to the people, and as a mere custodian, I will always strive to honor their resolve. You are sincerely signed, Rep. Awaji Inombek Dagomi Abiente. Honorable colleagues, the last but not the least is the communication I'm receiving from the House Amazon. A House Amazon that I'm sure a lot of members will be keen and will be pleased, even the minority, because I could see the countenance of my dear brother, the minority leader, to hear what she has for us. Honorable Chinda, are you not curious to know what the Amazon coming from Rivers wants to say to the House today? Or you already know, and that's why you are happy. Thank you. Honorable colleagues, I have a message coming from Honorable Boma Goodhead, member representing Asari Toru, Akuku Toru Federal Constituency of River State, and the Chairman House Committee on Local Content. Our message reads as follows: notice of defection from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, to the All Progressive Congress, APC. I write to notify you and the House of Representatives that I have resigned my membership of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, and have also decided to join the All Progressive Congress, APC. My decision is anchored on the very prolonged and unresolved disagreements and division within my previous party. Yours sincerely, signed, Rep. Omaguded. Honorable members, my dear sister, Honorable Abiente, Honorable Merengwa, Honorable Munachin, congratulations on behalf of the House leadership from the majority. And you can please come forward to shake hands with the members of leadership, both majority and minority.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker. Point of order,
Honorable
Mr. Speaker.
Judge, I will yield the floor to you in a moment.
Yes.
So just bear with us.
Sir?
I will recognize your point of order later.
I'm moving the point of order.
You are bigger than that.
No, I'm taking some here.
You are going to take it.
Mr. Speaker, point of order. Thank you, sir.